Well, today I want to show you a great product. This is the LeFree Flat Soaker Hose. And this is actually a two-pack. So you get two 50-foot soaker hoses. And what's really unique about this particular soaker hose is the material it's made out of. Traditionally, these soaker hoses are made out of rubber, and the other kind of rot and kind of wear out. This one, with this material, very long lasting. In fact, it has a lifetime warranty. So, very simple to use. What's nice about soaker hoses versus your regular sprinkler is you're going to be saving up to 80% water because you could put the soaker hose in the exact location where you want the water to be. And then the water is going right into the soil. You're not wasting water with the sprinkler. And another thing with this particular soaker hose, you can bury it up to 2 inches, below a good mulch layer, kind of like I have in this garden. So I do have the soaker hose going. The other one, and like I said, it's 50 feet, which is very large. So I'll turn the camera and I'll just kind of show you the hose in action. So, boy, as you can see, it's hooked up way at the top of my house, and it runs a long way. So we'll go take a look. All right, so this is how a soaker hose, and you could actually see the ground is actually, I just turned it down a little bit ago, but it just drips out. There's little perforated areas inside the hose that's covered by that the black membrane. And what it does, you turn it on, and it just drips, drip, drip, and really does a great job. And as you can imagine, you could line this along, as an example, my garden edge. I could run it along that whole length as well as this whole length using that one soaker hose. So really a great way to conserve water and get the water where it's needed on the roots of the plant. So again, this is a two-pack. So you got 100 feet of soaker cord. So good quality, lifetime warranty. I'm very, very happy with the product.